Hey, this is the Urban Window Farmer. Just wanted to share some information with you guys. I started growing this seedling rack right here. You guys take a good look at it. So I started growing it down at the bottom of my windowsill, down here. And I noticed that the seedlings were just a little bit too leggy, if you notice. So they're a little bit leggy. They're not as bushy as I wanted them to be. So I designed this seedling tray right here, which attaches to the top of the windowsill where they can get much more light than at the bottom. So I'm gonna check this out, see how it goes. But so far so good. This is day 2. The plants are looking a lot more happy than they were. And they're sitting on top of the windowsill. So I have this bracket right here that attaches firmly to the windowsill. So I don't have to worry about spills. I saw some other solutions where they use suction cups, which attach to the window, and for some reason I always have bad luck with suction cups. They never stay on my window. I try like putting water on them and trying different things, but they always ending in a mess. So here's a different solution. All right, thanks you guys for watching, and if you like this kind of content, so this channel is focused on growing plants in an urban setting. So if you like this kind of content, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.